To troubleshoot Debank charts, start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a portfolio tracker and DeFi analytics platform that provides users with detailed charts and analytics to help them make informed investment decisions. First, ensure you have a Debank account and have connected your wallets to the platform. If you are experiencing issues with your charts, begin by checking your wallet connections. Verify that your wallets are properly connected and that the addresses are correct. Next, check the time frame and data range selected on your chart. Debank charts can display data from various time frames, including 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and more. Ensure the time frame you have selected is relevant to the data you are trying to analyze. Another common issue is incorrect or missing data. Check that your transactions are being recorded correctly and that there are no discrepancies in your wallet balances. If you notice any issues, try updating your wallet data or contacting Debank support for assistance. Additionally, be aware of the different types of charts available on Debank, such as token price charts, liquidity pool charts, and portfolio balance charts. Each chart provides unique insights, so ensure you are using the correct chart for your specific needs. When troubleshooting Debank charts, it is also essential to consider external factors that may be affecting the data, such as network congestion, wallet issues, or platform maintenance. Check the Debank status page or social media accounts for any updates on platform issues. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with your Debank charts, try resetting your chart settings or clearing your browser cache. You can also reach out to Debank support for further assistance or guidance. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, you should be able to effectively troubleshoot Debank charts and gain valuable insights into your investment portfolio. Remember to stay up to date with the latest Debank features and updates to get the most out of the platform.